Guys, today we have here in Konji Queen, and today is the anniversary of my sister, my best
40th.
friend. 40th anniversary. Here we go. Say hi.
Hi.
Happy anniversary, sister.
Thank you.
Okay. This is the food that she want to order. This one is a tofu, fish head, fried
Ang
rice,
laki naman ng ano.
and this is the
Congee.
congee. So this is, we are at
40th anniversary of being a member of Iglesia ni Cristo. 37 years of being officer.
inside the church.
Inside the church of being deaconess.
Yeah,
Deaconess.
congratulations. Now we have to.
Let's eat.
Yeah, we can eat.
Parang masarap yung... Saan ba tayo nakatikim ng masarap na ano?
Gano'n ka na? Sarap.
Sarap. Laki ng hipon. Yung hipon niya, jumbo. Yung hipon, jumbo. Ang laki.
Oh, yeah.
Ha?
Itong small. Ayun sa ano. I want this.
Yan ba yung suka?
Hindi, yung parang Winsis, ano ba yan?
Yun nga yung mas-masin.
Mm-mm.
Yan.